What's the meaning of bottle shop? Bottle shop. Bottle shop.
Bottle shop. Bottle shop. A bottle shop is a type of retail store that specializes in the sale of alcoholic beverages, particularly bottled beverages such as beer, wine, and spirits. Bottle shops may also offer related items such as mixers, snacks, and glassware. In some regions, bottle shops are known by other names, such as package stores or liquor stores. The term bottle shop is commonly used in Australia and New Zealand to refer to these types of stores. Overall, a bottle shop is a convenient destination for those who are looking to purchase alcoholic beverages for home consumption or for a social gathering.